We'll guide you through how to fix touchscreen not working on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying as you're then unable to go and use your device and you may be thinking that it's broken, but don't worry, we've got a fix you can go and try, which should go and hopefully solve it. So what we're going to do is try performing a full restart, and we can do this without the use of the screen. So what you need to do is come onto the side of the phone, and what you need to do is go and find the volume down button and the power button. Press and hold these together like so. Now, depending if your screen's frozen or not, it may go and change. If it doesn't though, it doesn't matter. Keep these held down. Shortly your screen will go black, as you can see mine has there. Keep them held down, and shortly you'll go and see the logo go and appear of your phone, as you can see, and at that point you can go and release, and it's now starting again. When it starts, go and unlock it, and it should then be working again and the touchscreen be functional. I look forward to help you again in the future.